Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download Visual Studio Code. So first, you're going to go into your web browser, and you are going to type in this link. And once you have that all typed, you'll push enter, and you'll come to their website. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it because I don't know why, I already have it installed. But now we'll go into the how open it part. Okay, so then you're gonna go into your search bar and you're gonna type in Visual Studio, and it should come up. And then this is the code, but you need to install plugins. So say for example you wanted Python, you'd search in this plugin bar and then install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it. And say if you wanted, say, C#, then you would click on it, you would search it, click on it, and then install it. But like I said, I already have installed. Say if you wanted Ruby, then you could install that. I don't have that installed, but just do that with everything. And yeah, that's how you install Visual Studio Code on Windows. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.